how to sell your products or services online, receive the payment, send the confirmation, get the written Google Sheet, even if you do not have a website. Hi there, I'm Kewal Kishan, India's leading business automation coach, and today I want to talk about Jot Form, an amazing technology through which you can design advanced level of forms which you do not only create the forms, but through this you can capture the location, you can receive the payments, and you can literally sell your products or services online. Now, before I start training you on this amazing technology, go ahead and subscribe the channel. Every week we are bringing amazing valuable lessons to all of you, and I think एक subscribe तो उसके लिए बनता है, right? So go ahead and subscribe the channel. Let me start training you on what is Jot Form. So for this, what do you need to do? What do you need to do? You need to go to jotform.com, okay, and you will click on this option called templates by logging in from your Google Gmail ID, and you will see the option here called form templates. जब आप इस पे क्लिक करोगे, you will see there are 10,000 plus free online forms template by Jot Form. Isn't this amazing? And you can see here they have given you the forms either category wise or industry wise or profession wise. तो पहले सीखने से पहले एक बार थोड़ा सा समझ लेते हैं कि Jot Form क्या है, किस तरीके से ये काम करता है, right? So आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे it has got an order form. So simply any kind of orders, change request, change order, construction change, pre-book form order, book order form, sales order form, Amazon order return form, construction work order form, property maintenance form, computer repair form, supply chain requisition of supplies form, supply order form, fundraising के forms हैं यहाँ पे, limitless number of forms. अब आप सोचोगे केवल मेरा तो एक बेकरी स्टोर है, मेरी एक कन्फेक्शनरी की दुकान है, मेरा तो एक मैन्युफैक्चरिंग का सेटअप है, मैं तो अपने प्रोडक्ट्स ऑनलाइन सेल करता हूँ. Guess what? They have created the forms industry wise as well, for business, for e-commerce, for education, for health, for IT, for human resources, for marketing. We train our students who are in our automation program on how do you automate your business using Jot Forms and Google Sheets. Today's video I want to enlighten you on how you can create your own form and sell your products online. And then you can go here and check the profession wise option as well. So for example, if I go back and if I click on the form templates here, तो आप देखोगे कि जो पहला एग्जाम्पल इसने दिया है, that is the product order form. And if I just zoom it, you will see it is giving us the option of online store. So it's like a form which looks like online store, but it is just a form. You do not need to have any big website and spend 3-4 lakh rupees on building an e-commerce website. Just a simple form can do the same job for you. Okay, so for example, here this is an example of a clothing store who want to sell the products online. It has got t-shirts, sweatshirt, and if customer want to click on it, the customer can even zoom it and check the product quality. Customer can buy the shoes. अब अगर कस्टमर को इस प्रोडक्ट को बाय करना है तो कस्टमर कैन चूज द प्रोडक्ट, राइट. उसके बाद कस्टमर अगर यहाँ पे देखोगे आप प्राइस इज $1, कस्टमर वांट टू चूज 4 प्रोडक्ट्स. अब यहाँ पे टोटल अभी तक $1 है. इफ कस्टमर चूजेस 4, here it changes to $4. So calculation is happening automatically, and on the top of it you can give the option of changing the color of the t-shirt, changing the size of the t-shirt. So it's not only the t-shirt, you can add your other products. Like अगर आप केक बेकरी आपकी शॉप है तो आप बेकरी में कितने साइज का केक होना चाहिए, 1 kg, 2 kg, हाफ kg. अगर आप कोई ई कॉमर्स स्टोर है और अगर आप इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स के प्रोडक्ट सेल करते हैं तो नंबर ऑफ लैपटॉप्स, नंबर ऑफ मोबाइल्स, नंबर ऑफ माउस, एटसेट्रा. So here customer can choose this and can choose the number of products. Again, size यहाँ पे change हो सकता है. So size, and then the color can be changed. Here you can see the total is $29. Question is, can we take the payment online? Is it possible? Well, let me go ahead and scroll it down and show you all the options. First option is that you can actually capture the name. So customer can fill the name, customer can fill the email address, customer can fill the contact number, customer can fill even the billing address, because at the end you need to send the GST invoice, or if you're out of India, you need to send your own tax invoice. And if the shipping address is different, when you click on no, then it gives you another option of adding the shipping address, because a lot of times you want to do the billing at different address, and you want to gift the item to somebody else in your company. Do you want to send it as a gift? If yes, then you can add the recipient's full name. You can even add the gift message. Or if you say no, then the option is gone. And then finally, when you configure your bank account details with it, you can even capture the payments by customer paying it from PayPal, debit card, or credit card as well. Can we give a round of applause to this technology? It is so awesome, right? And right now, thousands of companies are using it. If you see, if I zoom this, you will see more than 4 lakh people have cloned this particular form itself for their business, right? So how do you use it? I'm right now just giving an example of one of the template, but I'll train you in today's video on how can you create your own form, and even how can you capture the location as well. Okay, stay tuned, like the video if you're liking the video till now, okay, and make sure you subscribe the channel as well. So for me to use the form, I will click on use template. When I click, it says please wait 3, 2 and 1. देखिए ये जो टेम्पलेट था ये अब जॉट फॉर्म पे ऐड हो गया है. तो सेम वे आपको जॉट फॉर्म पे 10,000 प्लस फॉर्म्स के टेम्पलेट मिलते हैं. अगर आपको कोई भी टेम्पलेट यूज करना है, यू कैन ऐड इट by adding in this, and then you can make the changes in that. How do you make changes? How do you add other elements? How do you delete few elements? I'll tell you in the tutorial today. Okay. So इसके ना 3 टैब्स हैं. पहला है build, second है settings, third है publish. Publish last step है, means जब आपने publish कर दिया, आप इसको अपने customers को दीजिए और orders लेना शुरू कर दीजिए. You know, digital India, you start collecting the payments and orders and you start delivering things online. That's what customers need nowadays. So जब हमने ऐड किया, it says you have not finished the configuration, the payment integration, तो आपको पेमेंट की सेटिंग्स में जाना है और अपनी कॉन्फ़िगरेशन करना है. तो वो जो ऑप्शंस उसमें दिए होंगे आप कर सकते हो. आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो, यू कैन हैव ऑल द ऑप्शंस ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट्स. जब मैं यहाँ पे क्लिक करता हूँ तो प्रोडक्ट का ऑप्शन देता है मुझे. सो आई कैन ऐड मोर प्रोडक्ट्स हियर. सो अगर मैं प्रोडक्ट ऐड करता हूँ, इट गिव्स मी द ऑप्शन ऑफ एडिंग द प्रोडक्ट नेम. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू वांट टू सेल अ माउस, ओके, आई कैन अपलोड द इमेज. अभी मैं कोई एक रैंडम इमेज अपलोड कर रहा हूँ बाय द वे. ओके, आई थिंक लेट मी डाउनलोड एन इमेज हियर. This is another mouse which came about together. I wanted laptop mouse. Okay, so let me download this. ठीक है, मुझे ये प्रोडक्ट ऐड करना है बेसिकली. So what do I do? I simply click on add product. I click on uploading it, the image from my laptop, and I can even write here ABC brand mouse. Okay. I can add other configurations here. If I click on this, what is the price of it? I want to have it 5. Okay, I can even change the currency. $5 I have given the price of it. I can write the description here. Amazing quality product with with A, B, C. Features. So whatever features you want to add, you can add here, and I can simply have it like this. I can add more products here. If I click on the properties of this, you can see that I have other options given here which I can add here. Okay, so once you will go through detailing in this, you will get to know what all can you do in this, right? You can even go for payment setting in this, and you can check the products have been added here. Sweatshirt, t-shirt, right? Shoes, mouse. You can even add your coupons here. You can add your you can enable the shipping, and you can add the charges in the shipping. You can add the text based on your country, what is the tax percentage you want to add here, right? So percentage, for example, in India, GST 8% or 18% based on the products. You can add here. You can enable the invoice option as well, that you want to generate the invoice. Here you can add your business details, your email, your phone number, your address, and your company logo, and automatically the invoice will be generated. So Jot form give you all the options of doing it. आगे बढ़ते हैं. So then you can add the name, email address, contact number, billing address, shipping का भी option यहाँ पे दिया गया है. And here you can see at the end, the payment option is also given here, right? So when you set it up, जब आप इसे सेटअप करते हो, complete करते हो payment settings में जाके, so that's where you need to choose the currency. I can, being an Indian, I can write here INR. Got it? I can write okay कि मुझे sell product sell करने हैं. I want to capture the payment via debit credit card only, not via PayPal, so I can remove it, and I can simply go ahead. I can add additional gateways if possible, and I can click on continue, and I can take this further. Now coming further, here you can write your company name. For example, you have a store called ABC Store and based out of maybe New Delhi. Okay, you can add a subheader here, and you can write one line about your business. You can add other options. Heading is there. You can add some images on the top of it. Heading image you can add, which could be your brand image, which you can add on the top of it, right? Because at the end you are going to create a form through which people are going to buy the products. So if I click on this option, which is called preview form, you can see here right now it is showing one error. It means something which is missing. Yeah, PayPal connection. So I think PayPal ka wo, I think all errors fixed here. Yes, now you can see this is the form through which people can choose the product, choose the quantity, and you can see here it is right now covered in dollars. I think I changed in rupees, but you can do that. ये option है, ये link है. If I copy this and share with client can simply open it and place the order. Okay, so client can choose the product here, client can choose the item size, quantity, and fill the details and pay you. And even if you don't want to collect the payment upfront, you want that this should be integrated with WhatsApp, and then you want to send a link or account details or something, that also can be done. Okay, cool. So coming back, if I put this, and if I come back to the development mode, the build mode, let me click on the form element now. What all other options are available which we can add in the form? So let's go through one by one. For example, in the basic, you can add the heading, full name, email address. You can give the date picker, on which date client want you to deliver the product, just as an idea. अगर ये फॉर्म प्रोडक्ट के डिलीवरी का ना होता, one-to-one consulting का होता, you can give the calendar link through which you can book an appointment. You want them to fill the form and add their signature. It could be employee onboarding form, and then you can add the signature here as well. While filling the form, they can do the signature. You see, nowadays people are coming to your home for any kind of cleaning, like urban company और बाकी companies आप देखते होगे, तो वो आती हैं और उसमें employee जो है वो sign करते हैं, तो वो option भी यहाँ पे given है. Before going further, tell me guys, are you clear with it? अगर आपको कोई query है, कोई questions हैं, feel free to type in the comment box and I'll be able to reply you back. These videos are for your business growth, to help you upgrade to the next level. And I've seen many business owners who find it difficult to create a full-fledged e-commerce website. Through Jot form, you can start selling your product in less than few minutes because it's so easy to create the form. If you're liking the video till now, make sure you subscribe the channel. Right? Okay, so यहाँ पे हम आगे बढ़ेंगे. आप देख सकते हो short text, long text, drop down, multiple choice, file upload. So जो options Google form में दिए हुए थे, वो सारे options यहाँ पे भी दिए हुए हैं. Right? एक input table यहाँ पे आ सकती है. अब यहाँ पे आगे बढ़ते हैं. पेमेंट की केस में आप यहाँ पे Stripe से कनेक्ट कर सकते हो, Google Pay से कनेक्ट कर सकते हो. So all the options are given here. You need to configure it according to your business, and you can start collecting the payments. विजेट्स की बात करते हैं और क्या क्या इसमें एक्स्ट्रा फीचर्स हैं जो और किसी भी फॉर्म की टेक्नोलॉजी में शायद आपको ना मिले, इवन इन गूगल फॉर्म। फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे देखिए फॉर्म कैलकुलेशन, इट मीन्स अगर आप कुछ एंट्रीज कर रहे हैं गूगल फॉर्म पे इन द जॉट फॉर्म, you want things to be calculated automatically. Yes, that can be done. E-signature, you want your employees going to a location and taking a selfie, taking a picture, and before that the person cannot submit the form. So वो option यहाँ पे आ सकता है. So वो यहाँ पे take a photo का option डाल दिया, take a photo. You can see here it has been added here. और इसमें option पूछ रहा है कि front end कैमरा का लेना है option या rear कैमरा का लेना है, right? So directly वही वो option आपके मोबाइल से ओपन करेगा। अगर इसको भी प्रीव्यू करके देखते हैं किस तरीके से आता है। ये देखिए टेक फोटो एंड यू कैन सी इट इज राइट नाउ आस्किंग मी टू यूज द कैमरा एंड गेस व्हाट, आई एम इन द जॉट फॉर्म राइट नाउ एंड इफ आई वांट टू टेक अ पिक्चर लाइक दिस, yes, it has captured my photo as well. So your employee can capture the photo like for attendance or for any other areas and can simply submit the form. Got it? Then along with it, a lot of students keep asking me केवल location. क्या हम लोकेशन कैप्चर कर सकते हैं एम्प्लॉय की, या हमारा टीममेट किसी कस्टमर के पास जाता है फॉर सेलिंग द प्रोडक्ट या फिर ऑर्डर लेने के लिए, हाउ डू वी नो वेदर द पर्सन हैज रीच्ड द लोकेशन और नॉट? Now Google Form does not give you the capability till now, till July year 2022 to capture the location. But guess what? Using Jot Form you can do that. How do you capture the location? Pretty easy. So simply you go to the widgets and यहाँ पे आप देखोगे कि लोकेशन जैसे ही मैं डालता हूँ ये ऑप्शन आ गया यहाँ पे, जियो लोकेशन कैप्चर करने का. So automatically when the person will fill the form, his address, including latitude and longitude will be captured here and it will be, entered. So the location widget is also given. Your teammate will have to fill the form and automatically the location will be captured. Yes, this geolocation option is there through which it lets you, gather the location of the person who is filling out your form with their consent. So it says sharing my location. You can decide whether to collect the location as addresses or lat long coordinates. So this is how it will come. And this feature requires an internet connection and it works best when the GPS is enabled. Got it? So for example, if I preview this, you can see here. You can see here right now it is asking me to capture the photo. I have taken it and here it will capture the even location as well. While I'll fill the form, the location will be captured. Got it? Now coming back to this, we are clear with how can you create your e-commerce form, right? How can you go to the setting option, payment setting option, and change the currency and connect your bank account details and take it further. Along with it, how can you add your product? It's pretty easy. You need to add your just product here, add the price, you need to just add your images and you're good to go. There might be other options as well where you can upload multiple products as well. Now let's click on settings here. So when I click on setting, even it has an option of creating the invoice and everything else. So वो सारे options भी यहाँ पे given है. You can explore what all elements you can add in the Jot form. अब आ जाते हैं सेटिंग पे. तो आप इस पे अपने टाइटल दे सकते हो, फॉर्म का स्टेटस क्या है, इनेबल्ड है, डिसेबल्ड है, क्या आपको ईमेल भेजना है क्लाइंट को जैसे ही वो फॉर्म फिल करते हैं, और अपने टीममेट को नोटिफिकेशन भेजना है. You can create some logics here. If the shipping address is same as billing address, then the shipping address field will be hidden. You can see the logic is written here. If the send gift, is yes, then you need to ask a recipient's full name and the gift message. Same way, you can add a new condition here as well, and you can add a thank you page. कि जैसे ही वो पेमेंट करते हैं, क्या आप उन्हें थैंक यू पेज पे लेके जाना चाहते हैं, वहां पे या क्या उनके एक अलग से लिंक पे आप रीडायरेक्ट करना चाहते हैं. Multiple things are given here, right? Next is integration. Well, we all want कि डेटा हमारे पास आ जाए. अब डेटा ऑल द जॉट फॉर्म की भी टेबल है, इस पे डेटा आता है, बट व्हाट वी नीड इज गूगल शीट. सो डायरेक्टली वी कैन क्लिक ऑन दिस एंड वी कैन ऑथेंटिकेट आवर गूगल अकाउंट एंड डायरेक्टली हमारे गूगल शीट पे ये डेटा कैप्चर हो जाएगा. सो जो भी फॉर्म फिल होगा जॉट फॉर्म पे वो डेटा आपका गूगल शीट में कैप्चर हो जाएगा. एंड एट द एंड यू कैन क्लिक ऑन पब्लिश. You can copy the link, you can share it with your friends on your, you can create the QR code, you can share on LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, and you can, use this as a template and share further as well. So guys, this was it from my side. JotForm is a vast technology for you to learn it better, for you to implement this. What you can do, you can become one of our student and we can help you automate your entire business using JotForm, Google Form, Google Sheets and WhatsApp automation. Now you might be wondering, Kewal, how do you connect JotForm with WhatsApp? So this is where there is another technology which is called Pabbly. Okay, through Pabbly, JotForm and WhatsApp can be connected. Okay, so Pabbly is just like Zapier, जिसमें आप अपने workflows बना सकते हो. So let me just take a minute and explain you this as well before I wrap up the lesson. It's right now opening. So this is Pabbly, where I can simply create a workflow. I've not explained you till now what is Pabbly. Pabbly is an application through which you can integrate many softwares. For example, अगर Facebook पे कोई ad आती है, you want कि उस customer का WhatsApp चला जाए, you want कि वो entry Google Sheet पे चली जाए, any automation can be done using Pabbly. If you want me to create a detailed video on Pabbly software, then comment below Pabbly in the comment box. So let me write JotForm here. So you can see here, JotForm is captured here, and here when I've created a workflow in Pabbly, अगर कोई भी response मुझे JotForm पे आता है, I can directly send a message to the client. So this is our API called Automate with Kewal, which is on Pabbly. So directly JotForm fill करने पे client को एक WhatsApp भी जा सकता है. Right? So this was it from my side, guys. JotForm is a wonderful technology through which you get so many templates which you can use for your business, be it registration, customer details, employer attendance, booking form, order registration form. Tell me what was the biggest learning from today's session. JotForm is a technology just like Google Form which enables you to sell your products online even if you don't have a website. It helps you to capture the payments, it helps you to reply back to the client, it helps you to generate invoice as well. And if you like this video, make sure you like it, you comment below what was your takeaway, and make sure you subscribe it as well. Follow me for more tips. You can check out in the description. This week I'm conducting a business automation masterclass for all the business owners who want to automate their business and run the entire business operations working 1 hour a day. You'll find the link within the description of the video. Go ahead and check it out. Look forward to train you. Wish you all the best. Thank you.